Hello. The backup and restore solution for EEVX.2 was refactored totally in order to address customers' demand for non-interrupted backups with scheduled and incremental support. In this video, we will review the backup capabilities of the xDM server. We will review the objectives for EEVX.2. I will demo the backup configuration and the output of running a backup. Finally, I will give an example of a backup plan and how to configure it. The main demand from customers was to provide an uninterrupted backup solution. The goal was to back up the xDM server containers so those could be restored in case of a catastrophic disaster. The containers include the embedded database, vault, configuration, and other essential xDM server files. Another goal was to save time, disk space, and cost. Therefore, an incremental backup is now supported. Some customers, especially enterprise customers, requested to continue to utilize their own existing backup software and processes while backing up the xDM server containers, while other customers still wanted our solution to conduct backups. The VX.2 backup solution will meet all those objectives and more. The most noticeable change is that now you can manage and execute all the backup-related functionality from within the Configuration Manager user interface. The backup menu has the option to define the output directory. Here you can also exclude the vault from the backup, assuming you have an alternative means for backing up the vault. The essential xDM server files are always inclusive. You can set a time interval for full backups, and you can set a time interval for incremental backups. You also have the option to execute a full backup on the spot. Oracle customers must continue to use their own tools to back up the Oracle database. Customers that would like to manage the Vault backup using their own tools are welcome to do so. The Vault backup is done on a file level, and therefore any solution that you have for file backup is sufficient for backing up the Vault. Here is my target backup base location. We can see several backup packages. Once we open the latest, we can see all the files that are included, such as the embedded database, the vault, configuration files, and other essential files. The incremental backups directory contains subdirectories of the incrementals that were generated. You must use the backup package as a whole, and you should not break or manually build those packages because those are sensitive and contains dependencies. Manually modifying a package might result with data loss and failure to recover. Let's simulate a backup plan. In this scenario, I would like to schedule a full backup every 2 weeks on Sunday at 2 a.m. And I will set an incremental schedule to run twice a day, every 12 hours. I'm expecting a new backup package every 2 weeks, and internally I will expect to have 24 incremental backup packages. Once a new backup package is created, I can move the previous one to an archive and store it according to the archiving policy of my company. The backup and restore solution for EEVX.2 was refactored totally in order to address customer demands for non-interrupted backups with scheduled and incremental support. In this video, we demonstrated those new capabilities and how to use them within the Configuration Manager. We shared an example of a backup strategy, and we strongly recommend that you will have your own backup plan established.